Welcome to my unboxing video of the Trust A1 gaming keyboard. We will open the box. And there is the keyboard, but we have to unpack it. There it is. It's a nice keyboard, and if you connect it, it will show lights. This is how it looks when it is connected. Wow, very cool. Thanks for watching.